Get ready for some serious automotive drama. Nissan's Nismo SUV is here, and it's making waves with its bold presence and performance-focused features. This bad boy will set you back nearly $80,000, but trust me, it's a whole lot of car for the money. The 2026 Nissan Armada Nismo is a beast of an SUV, boasting a 460 horsepower twin-turbo V6 engine. That's right, an extra 35 horses compared to its predecessor. And it's more powerful than the Infiniti QX80. But here's where it gets controversial. The Nismo variant costs a whopping $13,780 more than the Z model. Is it worth the premium? Let's dive in and find out. Starting with its exterior, the Armada Nismo stands out with a unique front end. Think supersized grille, a bold front bumper, and red accents that scream, "Look at me." It's a far cry from your average SUV, and that's exactly the point. The changes continue with sporty side steps, 22-inch forged wheels, and a rear bumper that completes the aggressive look. It's a head-turner, no doubt about it. Step inside and the drama continues. Black leather seats with red quilted centers, red contrast stitching, and aluminum pedals give the cabin a sporty feel. A red center stripe on the steering wheel and Nismo-branded headrests add to the excitement. It's like a race car stepped into an SUV's body, and we're here for it. But it's not just about looks. Under the hood, the engine has been tuned to perfection. Modified valve clearances and a more evocative exhaust note ensure this SUV means business. And the upgrades don't stop there. The Armada Nismo also boasts sportier suspension tuning and an electric power steering system that delivers an engaging driving experience. Now let's talk pricing. The 2026 Nissan Armada Nismo starts at $79,530. Which is a significant jump from the previous model year. But here's the kicker. The base model Armada starts at $58,840, and that's before a $2,190 destination fee. So, is the Nismo variant worth the extra cost? That's for you to decide. Despite the price hike, the only other notable change is the availability of second-row captain's chairs on the off-road-focused Armada Pro 4X, a small but significant upgrade for those who love their adventures. So, what do you think? Is the Nissan Armada Nismo worth the drama and the price tag? I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments. Let's spark a conversation and see if this SUV lives up to the hype.